friends, today I'm going to show you how to prepare Sol Kadhi, which is a good digestive drink, which is mostly served after meal. In this, I'm going to show you 2 different ways of preparing it. So let's go and start it. To start off with, take hot water in a bowl and soak 20 peels of Sola, which is also known as Kokum, and leave it aside. Now in a mixture jar, take 1 cup of fresh grated coconut, add 1 cup of lukewarm water and let's grind it to extract the coconut milk. I've already ground the coconut and now let's extract the milk. Now I'm adding this coconut coarse back to the blender. To this, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, add 1 inch of ginger, add 2 cups of lukewarm water, now let's grind this again. Back again in the same bowl, let's extract the coconut milk. Coconut milk is ready, now let's leave it aside for a moment. In a stone muddler, add 4 garlic cloves, 3 green chillies, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's muddle it. So this is how it has to be. All ingredients are ready to prepare this Sol Kadhi. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let's add the garlic chili crush as well. Now let's add the solas. Let's stir this. If you don't have access to fresh coconut, you can use coconut milk. Now I'll add fresh coriander. So friends, our first Sol Kadhi is ready. You can refrigerate this and can have it chilled. Now we'll prepare the second type of Sol Kadhi, which is commonly served in restaurants and hotels. In a vessel, take 500 ml of water and get it to a boiling point. Once the water starts boiling, add finely chopped ginger, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 chopped green chilies, 1 small chopped onion, 4 finely chopped garlic, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 20 peels of Sola or kokam. Now let's boil this to 3 to 4 minutes. Our Sol Kadhi is ready now. Leave it aside to cool down and add coriander at time of serving. So friends, if you like our recipe, then show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. And give your feedbacks in the comment section. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all.